mini box of Press Pass Legends. Base card of George Gervin, Jojo White, All-American David Robinson, parallel number to 499 of AC Low, and base card of Henry Bibi. Brandon Wright, base card. Dorian Green, base card. Calvin Murphy, parallel number 299. James Worthy and Kenny Anderson, base card. Earl Monroe, base card. Autograph of Lafayette Fat Lever. And parallel of Larry Johnson, number 2499. Base card of Dan Issel. Base card of Glenn Davis. Base card of Gus Williams. Alumni Association, Glenn Davis and Pete Maravich. Sherman Douglas, parallel number 2899 and base card of Larry Johnson. Jared Dudley, base card. Willis Reed, base card. Kenny Anderson, number 2499. George Carl. And base card of Larry Bird. Last pack. Rick Berry. Oh, nice. Autograph of Glenn Rice. Parallel base card of Dick McGuire, number 2899. Base card of Muxie Box. And base card of AC Green. So tell me, I don't know if it was good or I got 5 autographs in this box. Robert Parrish, red ink. Wayne Rollins, 3 Rollins. Blue ink. Jerry Tarkanian, blue ink. Lafayette Fat Lever, blue ink. And Glenn Rice, blue ink. And a few inserts. So that's it for this box of Press Pass Legends. Thanks for watching.